Webull is one of the most popular stock trading apps today, and in this video we'll be going over a quick tutorial on how you can trade stocks on Webull. Webull offers one of the best brokerage accounts available thanks to its commission-free trading, a great sign-up bonus, and all the great features that you can take advantage to help build your wealth. 95% of people start investing without knowing the basics, and this is like trying to build a house with no foundation, which is going to set you up for failure. If you watch till the end of this video, you'll be able to learn how to navigate the Webull app, confidently learn how to trade stock on Webull, and how to build a foundation to set yourself up for success. I will also be buying a piece of stock live in this video. Jumping straight into the Webull app, you want to first make sure that you're signed up. Webull is currently offering up to 75 free fractional shares after you sign up and open an account. I've left a small link in the description that will take you directly to the sign up page where you can go and claim your free stocks. So once you're in the Webull app, you're going to see your watch list, the markets, your actual portfolio, your feeds, and menu at the bottom. Let's go quickly through each tab. So watch list is a watch list that you can create where you want to watch certain stocks or ETFs. So I have Apple, VTI, QQQM, Costco, and more. You can add symbols. Next, let's go into markets where you can see stocks, ETFs, options, futures, learn, and all of these great features that you can take advantage of. So the next tab is going to be your actual portfolio. So if you go in here, you can see your net account value, any positions that you have. I currently have VGT, the ETF. You can see your profit and loss here. You can see any orders that you have, any transfers, any history, and any documents. Next, you're going to have feeds where it's pretty much people on Webull talking and, posting about different subjects. You can see here. And last but not least, we have the menu icon where it shows you your account and any shortcuts that you want to see. It also gives you access to the promotion center where you can see your promotions and any messages from Webull. So how do you actually trade stocks on Webull? So if you want to trade a stock, you're going to click the search icon at the very top right here. And then you're going to search the ticker symbol of the stock that you want to buy. For today's example, we'll be buying NVIDIA. So NVDA. You can see here. Click that. So once you get into this page, you're going to see a lot of features, but let me go through everything step by step. So the very first thing you want to look at is the key data section. So you want to click on the down arrow at the very top right. And you can see the key data that comes up, such as the dividend yield for the stock, the price and earnings, and other financial data that you must know. Looking at all of this information is really important because it helps you determine if a stock is a good investment. So let's move down to the stock chart where you can see the performance of the stock for 1 day, 5 days, 1 month, 3 months, 1 year, 5 years, and max. So you can see that NVIDIA did skyrocket and do pretty well in the past few years. If you scroll down here, you can see the order book, which is a really important concept that we'll get into shortly. So to actually trade a stock, you're going to click the trade icon at the very bottom left here. So click trade. And you're going to be met with this screen here. The first thing you'll see is the stock chart, and then you'll see the bid and ask. This is really important because this shows you the actual price that you pay and receive when buying and selling stock. The large price of the stock on the first page represents the last traded price. The bid is the highest price that buyers of a stock are willing to pay, and the ask is the lowest price that sellers of the stock are willing to accept. So when you're buying, you're paying the ask price, and when you're selling at the bid price. So the next step in the order form is to click either buy or sell, so we'll click buy, and then we're going to have to choose the order type. So if you click here, you can see that Webull offers simple orders, group orders, and conditional orders. In today's video, we'll be focusing on limit order and market order, so let's go through those real quick. First, we have the market order, which is when you're agreeing to pay for a stock at the current market price. This order type ensures that your order goes through very quickly, but a small downside is that you don't have as much control over the exact price that you pay. Next up, we have the limit order, where you set a certain execution price, which means that you have control over what price you buy the stock at. This doesn't guarantee that your trade will execute quickly, but it does ensure that you get a stock at a certain price, assuming that it hits that price. Next, let's go over buying an actual stock live, and today we'll be buying 1 share of NVIDIA. So let's go here so we can click buy. In order type, we're going to go with market order. So click on market order, and we're going to click on amount in share to 1. And time in force in day. And then you're going to see the estimated total price of the stock. And then all you have to do is click buy. And once this screen shows up, you can see that it has the account, the quantity of how many you're buying, and the current price, which is the market price. And then you're going to click confirm here, and it says that order has been submitted. Click done. And that's it. I've just bought 1 share of NVIDIA. If you want to sell a stock, same thing. Just go into trade at the very bottom left, and then click on sell, and then click on your order type. So let's do market order. Let's do amount in shares. and then you're gonna click sell, confirm once you want to sell. So once you've actually finished buying your stock, you're gonna check if it went through. So you're gonna go into this Webull icon at the very bottom here, click the icon here, and you can see that you have your assets here. And if you scroll down to my positions, you can see that now I have 1 share of Nvidia in my positions, and that means the trade went through. Now that you know how to confidently trade stock on Webull, if you want to sign up and receive up to 75 free fractional shares, use my link in the description. I will gladly appreciate it. That is it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Investing into the stock market is one of the best ways to build your wealth long term, so I really hope that you found a lot of value in this video. If you're new here, my name is Paul and I talk all things money, finance, and investing. So if you like this type of video, please smash that like button and subscribe for more future content just like this. Your life is a masterpiece, so let's unlock your full financial potential together. And with that, I will catch you in the next video. Take care.